Row, row, row your boat gently down the lake. Merrily, 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 gently down the lake. Row, row, row your boat gently down in the Tetons. Merrily, 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 merrily. Today we're out here relaxing in Grand Teton National Park, the base of these beautiful mountains in String Lake. We're out here in our Sea Eagle 330 inflatable kayak. This kayak is very versatile. We were able to bring it with us through the airports. That way we didn't have to rent any of those expensive canoes through the rental centers. This two-person inflatable kayak can hold up to 500 pounds. Equipped with a thick 33mm hull and an I-beam construction floor for extra rigidness. You can take this thing up to Class 3 whitewater rapids, or just hang out in your favorite little lake. Let me tell you, it was certainly awfully nice bringing our own kayak with us, through the airplane, through the airports, and now out here into this wonderful lake. This Sea Eagle Kayak 330 really fits the bill. If you're looking for a kayak that you can take with you almost anywhere, then this is what you need, right here, the Sea Eagle Kayak. Be sure to check out the Sea Eagle 330 Kayak and a lot of other great merchandise at the Adventure Crew online store at www.adventure-crew.com/store. This has been an Adventure Crew testimony.